Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of See You Slurp Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we are making Alison Roman's from the New York Times caramelized shallot and tomato pasta. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried this iconic dish, you must. It is so good, so simple, and it only takes a few ingredients in your fridge and pantry, so let's go ahead and get started. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!